Are you struggling to build a subscriber list and wondering how to do it with Mailchimp? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build an effective subscriber list using Mailchimp and why it's a great tool for growing your audience, all for free if you act now. Stick around till the end, and I'll share how you can access a special free trial, so make sure you don't miss it. First off, if you don't already know, Mailchimp is one of the most popular email marketing platforms out there. It's super user-friendly and helps you easily manage and grow your subscriber list. But let's dive into how you can use it to your advantage. The first thing you'll want to do is create an account if you haven't yet. It's completely free to start with, so go ahead and sign up. Once you're in, you'll be ready to start building your list. The second thing is to set up your audience. This is where all your subscribers will be stored. You can even segment your audience to create targeted lists based on different preferences or behaviors. This will come in handy later when you send out more personalized emails. Next thing, let's talk about creating a sign-up form. Mailchimp allows you to design and customize forms that can be embedded directly onto your website or shared on social media. You want to make sure your sign-up form is eye-catching and offers something of value to entice people to subscribe. Whether it's a discount, an ebook, or a free guide, always offer something that makes people want to join. Now, the fourth thing, automation. You can set up automated emails for new subscribers, like a welcome email or a thank you message. This helps keep your new subscribers engaged right from the start and makes them feel appreciated. It also saves you time by setting these emails up in advance so you don't have to manually reach out to every new person. Once you've started collecting subscribers, it's time to start sending out some campaigns. The fifth thing is to create engaging content for your emails. Mailchimp has templates that make it easy to design professional-looking emails even if you don't have any design skills. Keep your content relevant to your audience, and don't forget to include a clear call to action in each email. Lastly, check your results. Mailchimp offers analytics that shows you how your campaigns are performing, open rates, click rates, and more. This is crucial for understanding what's working and what's not, so you can make improvements over time. Now, remember, building your subscriber list doesn't happen overnight, but by using Mailchimp's powerful features, you can make steady progress. And as promised, if you want to try Mailchimp out for free, just click the first link in the description to get started and access our exclusive bonuses, including an extended trial period. So go ahead, get started with Mailchimp, build that list, and take your email marketing to the next level. You won't regret it.